It took me over 5 years to learn this about hair growth, and I'm about to teach you in less than 60 minutes. If you have been struggling from hair loss, hair breakage, hair shedding and balding, then you have come to the right place. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel and watch this video to the end to gain all the necessary information you need concerning hair care. If you are new here, I'm Brenda Okolocha and welcome to the safe space for healthy hair growth. The first ingredient we are going to be talking about is fennel seed. I'm using fennel seed because it contains essential nutrients like vitamin C, calcium, magnesium and iron, which helps to nourish the hair follicles, and it also helps to improve blood circulation, and nutrient to the scalp can stimulate hair growth. Next we have here is rosemary leaf, which can help to promote healthy hair growth and also strengthen your hair follicles. There's also fresh rosemary leaf in case you don't have the dry one. And next we have is bay leaf. I actually shredded my bay leaf so that it will be much easier for me to blend it into powder form. Bay leaf contains vitamins, minerals that can promote healthy blood circulation to the roots, and that is it for the ingredients. Next we are going to blend this into powder form. Okay, that is it, and we are going to be putting 2 tablespoons of it into this bowl. Then proceed with your oil of choice. Over here I'm using this extra virgin olive oil. Just 1 cup is enough. Next is to allow this to infuse using the double boiling method. You can actually do the cold press method, and that is when you store yours into a cupboard for a week or more. But over here I'm using the double boiling method to make sure my oil comes out faster and also in safe hands. So that's why I'm suggesting you should do the double boiling method in case you want yours to come out quickly. Also, I wouldn't advise you to infuse your oil directly on the heat. You also kill the nutrient. So it's either you do the cold press method and allow it to stay for days in the cupboard, or you do the double boiling method if you want it to come out faster. The second way of using this for healthy hair growth is when you make it in form of hair growth tea spray. So I just poured in the remaining herb inside the pot, then added 3 cups of water and allowed this to boil for 5 minutes. Don't allow it stay longer than that, and make sure it's on a very low heat, and that's because we don't want to kill the nutrients. Okay, so our simple DIY is ready. It's now time to show you all how I use it on my hair. In case you don't know, I'm actually doing 90 days healthy hair growth, and the hair growth challenge will be over this month of August. So in the next video coming up, you all are going to see how I take down this hairstyle, and I can't wait to show you all how long my hair has grown and the amount of hair length I'm able to retain. Guys, look at my scalp. I can't even see my scalp anymore. My hair has literally covered the entire scalp, and my hair has gotten thicker, as you can see. So starting with the tea spray, we are going to spray this all over my scalp, all over my hair, making sure to massage as I'm spraying it. It's not like your hair should be drenching of tea spray, right? It's just that you should make sure you are sprayed enough that can actually help to stimulate hair growth for the day. And if you are wondering how many times you are to use this in a week, minimum of 2 in a week and maximum of 4 times in a week. The key here is just consistency. Okay, if you can just stay consistent with it, even for 2 times in a week, you get a good result. I'm telling you, your scalp would get much healthier, and healthy scalp equals to healthy hair. But if your scalp isn't healthy, I guarantee you that your hair wouldn't grow the way you want it to grow, right? So look at my scalp again. I'm sorry, I can't even see my scalp at this point. I'm just seeing a head full of hair. You can see, right? Next on the line, we are going to be applying the hair growth oil we made with our 3 herbs, and that is what I'm applying all over my scalp right now. So this will help to activate blood circulation, like I mentioned before, and you also have to be consistent with this. However, if you have sensitive scalp, please be very careful and be mindful of how you use the hair growth oil in particular, and that's because naturally our scalp produces its own oil called sebum. So if you're someone that has sensitive skin or oily skin, there's a high possibility of hair growth oils irritating your scalp. It's just natural with people that have oily skin. Okay, so just use it once in a week or twice in a week, just in case you have oily skin. And as for someone that doesn't have oily skin like me, I use the hair growth oil 3 times in a week, and sometimes even 4 times in a week. And of course, always massage your scalp so that the tea spray and the oil we just applied on it will work effectively. Lastly, do you know that you can literally do everything I mentioned in this video and your hair won't still grow? And that's because you are not eating well. I honestly don't know who told most people that it's all about hair care products or DIY products or Ayurvedic products. Let me tell you all the truth. Everything I showed you all in this video works, but you also have to take care of your hair from inside. So please leave junks aside and eat proper meal. And when I say proper meal, I'm talking about balanced diet. Take charge of your protein. Take charge of your carrots, your tomato, your eggs, your beef, your milk, and all of that. Find a way to eat healthily and not consuming junks all the time. Drink sufficient water. Okay, that aside, are you even resting properly? It's not even about just what you put on your hair and what you eat. You also have to rest properly so that you will not experience what is called excessive hair shedding, because too much stress can also cause hair shedding. Yes, so in case you don't know, now you know. Go and rest, okay? And shut down your laptop, your television when necessary. It's not every time you carry work on your head. Find a time to rest. All right, and please, if you haven't seen the last video I posted, the link will be in the description box down below. Go watch it and learn 1 or 2 concerning hair care, and I'm pretty sure there's some people that will also want to learn with you. So I'll see you all in my next upload. Do well to subscribe, like, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos like this coming up very soon. Bye.